Now, other than smoothing method, there are other things we probably want to consider. For example, trends and seasonality. The trends can be a movement, upward or downward movement. Seasonality can be the fluctuation due to the seasons. It may be like a wave, so it can be like a cycle as well. To observe a trend, an easy way is to draw a trend line. What we do is, in this example, we have 9 periods, and each period we have a demand. Now we can use Excel to draw a line, a trend line that across this and all those the dots here, which represents each dot represent a demand. For example, here, let me show you how to do this in Excel. Now you go to Excel, you highlight your data. Okay, you highlight your data. Use your mouse to highlight the data. And then you go to Insert, take Scatter, and the first one. Click on it. Click on this one. Okay. Here is what the Excel gonna do for us. It is a scatter plot. It's right here. Looks like this. Now we need to find the trend line, the trend. So we add a trend line to the scatter plot. Again, it's when we have the chart tools, click on this one, and the trend line will come out automatically. Let's look at an example of seasonality. Suppose we have 4 different seasons here. It is spring, summer, fall, winter. And then for another year, spring, summer, fall, winter. We have demand for each season. Now we want to observe if there is any seasonality. What we do is we again go to Excel. We highlight the data and the information, the whole information here, and go to Insert, which is here, and in the scatter plot, choose this one. Okay. Now we can see that the Excel gonna give us a result that looks like this. Basically, this is spring, summer, fall, winter. Spring, summer, fall, winter.